Illinois Constitution Test, Part 2. We stopped at number 71. Which of the following is the commander-in-chief of the militia? A, president, B, governor, C, general. 72. Which of the following people cannot hold public office? A, traffic violator, B, women, C, a felon in jail. Number 73, the General Assembly cannot place a call for a constitutional convention on the ballot. A, true, B, false. 74, the Secretary of State may call for a constitutional convention every year. A, true, B, false. 75, in Illinois, Governor Pritzker could be allowed to forbid people from owning firearms by issuing an executive order. A, true, B, false.